Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. I'm just doing a really quick, easy set today using bits and pieces from Modelones and some crystals from Nail Sugar. I was going to use these flame stickers from Modelones, but after I'd put the gel polish on the nails, I had decided that they didn't quite fit in with the set. I was going to use these silver ones. It was kind of a toss-up between silver and gold, but I decided against either of them. Instead, I decided to go with a crystal cluster, which I'll show you at the end. The colours I'm using are Shiny Pearl. This is a really gorgeous kind of rose gold metallic-y textured gel polish. It's really nice. I've got some squash to lubricate my throat, by the way. Flowers. Oh, just take a swig. This is I'd call it like a muted pink, like a pink nude. It's really nice. I like this one. That would be my go-to colour for like winter sweater nails. And then the last one is Passage, which is like a brownie off red kind of nude. I don't really know how I describe that. I'm really rubbish at describing colours, as you know. So I'm going to put Passage only on the middle finger, removing the hairs as I go. You know, Gloria likes to attract hairs. I'm going to put, what's the colour? Shiny Pearl. This one is going to go on the ring finger and the index finger. I really like this one. It's very, very pretty. Then I will put flowers on the ring finger and the thumb. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply one coat. I'm going to cure it in the lamp. Modelones gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds or a UV lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to do the second coat off camera, and then we're going to top coat them. I just felt like they were too kind of pretty for flames. Do you know what I mean? I just didn't feel like the flames would fit. I make a right hash up of this thumb. Hang on, I need some squash because I can feel a tickle coming. That's better. Can you see, like, what did I even do? What even happened there? Don't get gel polish off with your fingers. I'm just going to neaten that up and get that bit of whatever that was off with my detailer brush. And I'm just going to go over it again. And get that hair off. And then I can finally pop it in the lamp. She says. There we go. So I will apply the second coat off camera, as I said. And then I'm going to apply the Lifu Modelones top coat to the nails. I have got, if you watch my live unboxing, you will see my live Modelones unboxing, sorry, that I've now got some of their top coat in one of the bottles with the wooden caps, with the wooden lids. I've not used that one yet. But this video was done a long time ago. This is one of my backup videos. So it's been sat in my phone for a while, but because it's half term and I've not been feeling very well, I haven't been at my nail desk. So I think I've got another swatching video done. So yeah, it's a little bit awkward this week, but I didn't want the whole week to be swatching videos. So I thought I would show you this really easy design, creating a crystal cluster as well. Sorry, I needed some squash. It's getting tickly. In fact, I'm going to cough. Hang on. Okay, I think that's better. More squash. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like literally. Why do I take? I'm such a faffer. Eventually, I get this set in my nail lamp, and I cure it for 30 seconds. Eventually. Okay, so I've got some moonstones. I don't know where I got them from. I can't remember now. I'm going to use one of the pink oval ones for this set. So when you look at them, they're kind of like, they're like cat's eyes. They're really nice. And I've got some white opal crystals from Nail Sugar. And I've also got some clear crystals from Nail Sugar. If you want to get 10% off anything from Nail Sugar, you can use code NATMUG10, all in caps. I used some nail glue to adhere the stone. I put it on, it's slightly wonky, which I got a little bit annoyed about. So I end up getting out my my Nelkme UV LED curable gem glue. This is, the reason I like this is because you can put it wherever you want your crystals to go. And you can put your crystals on. And the glue isn't going to set. You don't have to worry. Like, if you put it on and you think, oh, it's a little bit wonky, you can still move it around. So they're not going to stop moving. I mean, when you put them on, they're not going to move around because they're in that glue. But the glue isn't going to cure until it's in the lamp. So, like, I've not cured these yet, and they're staying still. But if I really want to, I can move them. If you know what I mean. So that's why I like this one. So I've put the clear stones at 12, 3, 6 and 9 o'clock. And then between those ones, I'm going to put the white opal stones. And then once I'm happy, I will cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds in a UV lamp. No, in an LED lamp. I think if you've got a UV, you might need to cure this for 2 minutes. But the gem glue cures with it's not got a tacky layer, so you don't have to worry about it. And like literally, that is it finished. So it just adds a nice focal point to the nails. Not very difficult at all, but just a really nice, beautiful set. I think it's kind of a nice set for transitioning from sort of summer into autumn, even though we are well into autumn now. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. And I will see you lovely lot tomorrow. Bye.